Hi guys, it's me Anne and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be a little different but something that has been requested. I'm going to show you what's been in my P.O. box over the past I guess 2 weeks or so. But before I get into that, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button and make sure that your notifications are on so that you can be alerted every time that I upload a video, if you want. The first item is from Teami Blends, and it comes in this cool box right here that says www.teamiblends.com. The box is super cute, special delivery with their social media information right here, and hearts all over the place. I'm not going to open this only because I'm going to do a separate video, but inside is a 30-day detox. I've done it before. If you want to do it with me, you can use the code right here, Anneayail, on their website, which is right below my code. And yeah, so the next item or items I received is from a company called Movement, but it's spelled MVMT, okay? And I received, I'm gonna open it up for you guys. I received, this is such a cute, I don't know if you can see that because it's such cute packaging. And I received some cool aviator shades. I'll try them on for you right quick. So yeah, I received some cool aviator shades, which I am going to, of course, get jazzed up and dolled up and wear because I think they're super cute. And I got, again from Movement, I think their packaging is so cool. See the box right here. So I got this cool, I guess this is stainless steel or something. I'd have to like look. So this is a cool watch. For Christmas I got this Tiffany set that I'm wearing right now, so this will be like a dope addition to have a watch. It also comes with a ring, my set. I don't have it on, so to have a watch like completes the whole look. And this is from Movement. So next I got from Moreslan. I don't know if you can see, so I'm going to put like a picture of what it is right here because the box is white and I have my ring light on. But this is a thermosonic facial brush. I have one already and they sent me one. I love this. Like, I think it's like $30. But it's so awesome. Like, I know we want to use the Clarisonic, and the Clarisonic has the brush head or whatever, but this one gets warm and it does this like thing and opens up your pores. This is amazing. I'm gonna leave the link right down below so that you can get it. I believe I have a discount code for you guys too. So the next item I received is from Landnics, and I don't know if you can see it because of my ring light. Trying to get there. But I'll leave a picture of it right here so that you can see. It's a foot peeling mask. So you basically, you know, wash your feet, put the foot mask on, leave it on. I think it's for like an hour. Yeah, 60 minutes to 90 minutes, and you rinse it off, and then in like 7 to 10 days your feet start peeling. I love this stuff. Like, I love foot peel masks. Like, essentially they save your feet. So the next item I received, you're not going to be able to see the name because it's in black, is from Landnics, and this is a water bottle that holds 36 ounces of water. So I am on my little health kick, but regardless of if I'm on a health kick or not, I try and drink a lot of water. I try and aim for the 60 to 64 ounces a day, but usually it's like 60, and this totally helps. I got this like I started using this already because as soon as I saw it I was like, yay. So I would fill this up in the morning, okay? I'd have a glass of water at home. Of course, before I go to work, I'll go to work and I'll keep this on my desk and I'll drink this throughout the day. So 8 ounces at home plus 36 ounces in the office, by my calculation, don't kill me if my math is off, that should be about 44 ounces. So then when I get home, all I have to do is consume 2 glasses of water or so, and I'm done for the day. Next, I'll leave their information down below. If you want to get in the habit of consuming more water, this will probably help out. It has like a little wristband. I'm pretty sure it's probably intended for like when you go jogging and hiking and all that stuff, but me personally, I just think it's easier to have all this water so that I know I finished this and how much I need to consume, and it works hand in hand with me like doing my Teami detox and stuff like that. And usually anytime like anything happens to my skin, I know it's because I need to drink more water. I got a pimple right here, so thank you, Landnics. So last but not least, I got this package. I don't know if you can see it. It's from Sassina hair. I'll leave a picture up here so that it's like clearer. And these are clip-ins. It says Sassina 7 pieces, 120 gram clip-ins for Black women. Okay. It's in 20 inches. And I'll open it up because I know you guys want to see. Ooh, okay. Came with a comb. A pair of lashes, which probably won't use. And 2 extra clips. And I have 2 boxes of these. Oh, okay. Okay. So this is what it looks like. There are clip-ins. So I'll probably try this out soon once I take this frontal off. So I got 2 boxes of these, essentially 2 sets of clip-ins. When I try them on, I'll see if I need both. If I don't, I'll just give away one, or do you think I should just give away one regardless? Let me know down in the comment section. So that's it for today's video. Give it a big thumbs up if you want to continue seeing videos like this once a month, just everything that I got in my P.O. box, so that you guys are aware of what I'm using, what I like, dislike, etc. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.